Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making queso dip. You guys, it is so yummy. Make sure you hit that like button because you're going to like it. I can tell you that. And hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed for more Ninja Foodi blender recipes on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. And if you're interested in any of the items that I use in the video today, make sure you check the description box below. I will have the links for all of the items that I use in the video. And if there's something that I don't have linked, let me know in the comments and I will make sure that I add it. But let's go ahead and dive right into making queso dip in the Ninja Foodi blender. Alright, so all we're going to need today is 16 ounces of mild cheddar, and I'm using the Stater Brothers block, 16 ounces, and I just cut it up into little blocks there. You're going to need half a can of ROTEL, and this is the diced tomatoes and green chilies, and it's the 10-ounce can. And this is the original, and you're only using half. You're going to need half a can of the Hunt's diced tomatoes, and this is the 14.5-ounce can. You're going to need to drain the tomatoes and then pour half of it, and I have half of it right here. All we're going to do is add the cheese. Okay. Just add all of our ingredients in here. Okay, now after we do that, all we need to do is select the sauce and dip, but we're going to turn it on. Select sauce and dip. And in 30 minutes, we're going to have our delicious queso dip. So we'll be back to check on it. 14 minutes in, or 16 minutes in, and it's already melted, so it's just warming up and blending really well. So you'll see that the cycles will blend on and off, but we'll go ahead and let the cycle finish, and when it's complete, we will taste it. Okay, so now the sauce is complete. I'm gonna go ahead and lift it. I want to make sure it's not too hot. Check that out. Oh, it looks so good and it smells so delicious. And I'm gonna get a fork just to show you guys. It's chunky, so if you're saying, oh, I want it chunky, this is perfect. It's nice and chunky. If you wanted it smooth, then you can once the cycle completes, you can actually blend it until it's smooth to your consistency. Okay. Just wipe my finger down. Oh, that's really good. Alright, so now we have our chips. It's a moment of truth. That is so good. If you wanted, you could double the recipe. If, let's say, you're going to have a party and you wanted some chips and dip, or the chips and the queso dip, you can actually double the recipe and use the whole can of the ROTEL and the whole can of tomatoes and just double the cheese to 32 ounces, and you would have about 20 servings. And look, I didn't even fill the bowl. There's still some in there. Look at that. So good. So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed for more Ninja Foodi blender recipes coming your way on Nighttime Mommy Reviews. And let me know in the comments if you guys like your queso dip smooth or if you like it chunky. Let me know. Until next time, you guys have a great night.